let's all go home.
Help! Anybody! Bernard! Bianca! Where are you? Okay, that's it. I'm out of here. This is ridiculous. You can't leave me here alone. I'm gone. I am gone. Oh, no. Stay in those eggs. That's a direct order. Oh.
Hey, you're kind of a cute little feller. Coochie, coochie, coochie.
Ow! Whoa!